Hi, welcome to Nugget on what is a processing unit. My name is Jason Park. I work as a systems analyst at Spectrum Technologies. Today, we'll be talking about what the processing unit is and how to set them up. Before we move on to processing unit, let's review what the business unit is. Remember, business unit is an optional feature that keeps commissions data secure within the organization. It is like a subdivision of your organization, a layer to keep the data separated from each other. Business units can be assigned to data in the SAP Commissions, and a data can be assigned to multiple business units. All results data and calculations are automatically assigned to the business units of the associated position. One simple example of how business unit works is Business Unit A cannot access data in Business Unit B within the same organization. So, how is Business Unit related to the processing unit? Processing unit is a calculation processing feature for the business units in SAP Commissions. In other words, it allows calculation of multiple business units as a single processing unit, and its reference data can be shared between processing units while data would belong to the business units. A processing unit can have multiple business units assigned, and the only data that are mapped are positions, orders, transactions, and results data. Looking at the diagram, each continent is represented as a processing unit, and the countries as a business unit. Running calculation for each processing unit will run the calculation for all the business units in the processing unit. This way, organization with multiple business units can easily manage and process calculations without affecting others. Now, we will create a processing unit and assign business units in the SAP Commissions. In the SAP Commissions, to create a processing unit, we will go to Security, go to Processing Units Workspace, create a new processing unit. You can enter the description, create. Here, the processing unit is created. Now, we'll go to Business Units Workspace and assign the processing unit. Here, we're going to use test business unit that we have created previously. Go to Edit. Notice that you have a processing unit unassigned. Search for the new processing unit you just have created. Choose it and click Save. Do the same for the another business unit. This way, the business units have been assigned to the processing unit. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to learn more about SAP Commissions topic, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.